So many of you want to know how to start making money online with no investment. If you are among those people who want to build a business online without spending any money, I totally get it because I've been there. And I know how frustrating it is to notice that you don't have money to spend and you want to make money. But to get access to the programs that you can use to start making that money on the internet, people require you to spend the money that you don't have and that you are looking for. If that's where you are, I have good news for you. There are free ways to make money online, and that's what I'm going to share with you in this video. If you want to make money, if you want to start working from home, if you want to build your online business, and you have money to invest and you are investing that money into a program that works, you will reach the level of success that you want even faster than you think. But if you don't have money to spend and you want to start building your business online and you want to make money online with no investment, it takes time. So before I talk about the method that I want to share with you in this video, let me tell you this. If you are looking for a way to make money online because you are looking for a way to pay your rent at the end of this month, or you don't have money to put food on the table and that's why you want to make quick cash on the internet looking for a free way to make money online, let me tell you, it's better you don't waste your time. The advice I will give you if you are facing those issues is to go look for a job. If you already have a job but still having those issues, go look for a second job. And I'm dead serious here. And now, for those who have the patience to wait, those who have the courage to stay and to work hard to build a successful business online, this is what they don't tell you. You need to create content. You have to create content in the form of a blog post or a video like this one. And you should be happy if I tell you that you don't have to spend a penny to create content like this one on YouTube. If you don't have a YouTube channel, if you don't know how to create and set up a YouTube channel, I will leave a link in the description of this video that you can click on and watch another video in which I show you step by step how to create and set up your YouTube channel. And all you need to make your videos is your mobile phone. If you want to make money writing and posting blogs, today I'm giving you access to a platform where you will get training, support, free websites, and a step-by-step guide to take you from where you are to a business owner. I will leave the link in the description of this video. If you click on it, you will be able to build 2 websites without needing to buy a domain name or pay for hosting. Of course, if you write your blog posts or if you make your videos, you will need an affiliate product to promote on your website or in the description of your videos. And for that, I made 2 different videos. And in those videos, I walk you step by step through the process to create your affiliate account on the major affiliate networks. And I will also list them in the description of this video. As you can see, I'm making sure that you have all the resources that you need to build and grow your business online. That's why I'm also giving you access to my new affiliate book that I've written, and I will give you access to that book for free. I will make sure to leave the link in the description of this video and you will be able to download that book for free. And in case you don't know, that book also is a step-by-step guide to build a 6-figure business on the internet. So to keep it short, if you are looking for a way to start making money online, if you are looking for a way to build a business on the internet with no investment, it's possible. All you have to do is to choose a way to create content. I'm personally doing both of them. Create a video on YouTube or you create a blog post on a website. It's free to create your YouTube channel, and I'm also giving you access to a platform where you will be able to create 2 different websites for free. So if that's what you want, there's no better time to get started than right now. That is what I have for you today. If you like the video, go down and like it, share it, and subscribe to let me know that you want more videos like this on my channel. This is VK from Will Village Academy. I will see you in the next video.